Okay, Dave here again at the Hobby Habit. Today we're going to look at the new Gecko Blocks from Cassidy Labs. They make a 28-piece one and a 10-piece one. 28 is $30, 10-piece one is $20. Let's pop this guy open and take a look at it. They are some sort of silicone block, but comes packaged like that in the box. Peel the label off, the front off. They got one on the back. Peel the back off, and they kind of all fall apart. But what's cool is they stick together. They stick to glass, they stick to soft surfaces. They say they're great in the bathtub. You get the idea. Pretty cool. And what's really neat is they're good for ages 18 months and up. There we go. Come in and check them out. This is our display here. You can come in and play with the Gecko Blocks. Only at the Hobby Habit.